Hi everyone! We are opening another Japan crate.
Yeah.
It looks amazing. Oh, Chase, let's open it. Let's open it. It's a little dented in the corner, but that's fine. Ready? You just gotta pull the flap. Raise it up. Wait, guys. Before we do anything, let's read the book. DokiDoki July. Who is that, though? That girl's amazing looking.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna get a Marshall Park Marine. I think this is gonna be what she's like, a Marshall Park Marine plush. He likes fishies. And we have a lot of those and we keep losing them. Oh, we're gonna get ice cubes. For Kotsumi Gogurashi ice cubes. Hello Kitty Marine notepad. Sumi Gogurashi pen. Tuxedo Sam. Scented marker. Who is Tuxedo Sam? And these are for a contest. Each one to looking at is regularly chosen a Sukiko crate with ears, plushies, cool gadgets, and sparkling Kira Kira. Stuff kicking. And these are the prizes. If you want to. And there's a kawaii cove. Fashion Delights crate with a mud-stained kawaii cove. Okay, so it's gonna be about. Oh, there's a fun contest. Take a picture together with a favorite item or creatively using from DokiDoki crate for a chance to win a Jinbison Goshiguda plush. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but that's close. Post your page to social media with DokiDoki crate and hashtag DDSEAS Twitter.
So this box is called Kawaii Cove and it's about the ocean. So let's take a look. Oh! This is the marshmallow plush. Oh my gosh! Chase, we got a shark! Chase, look at this. We got a shark.
We got a shark.
Yeah, do you like the shark? Okay, let's take a look.
What is this?
This is Sumi Gogurashi.
What is this?
It's a marker. It's a scented marker. You can take a sniff actually. So this is a purse. I think.
It smells like vanilla.
So here's the purse. Well, here's like the wallet thing. Sophie, it's really soft. We don't want that. That is disgusting. Okay, so here's the cute, adorable little thing. Oh, it's so soft as a pink zipper. Here is the paper.
I like it.
Okay, we'll smell it.
I like
So here's the marker. It's double-sided.
I like you.
It smells like vanilla cake, and then this side will smell like. It smells like blueberry.
To me, the blue stuff smells like Sour Patch. Oh, those are like ice cream that you can put in your thing.
And they're a little bit squishy. And then, see how they're filled with water? So you freeze them, and then when they're done, you can put them in the drink, and they're like ice cubes until they melt. And then okay, here's what they are. These are reusable ice cubes, and they are looking like Sumi Gogurashis. Okay. You're supposed to put it in the freezer. So, and here's the Hello Kitty pad. Oh, Hello Kitty is exploring. And it has some paper in it.
Ice cubes.
Please subscribe, everybody. And let us know what was your favorite item in this DokiDoki bin.
Mine was the ice cubes. Mine was.
So guys, this is the end of this video, but if you're lucky, we'll see our next video. So guys, if you like this video, give us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Bye everyone!
Have fun!